In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice on Freshbooks. Whether you're new to the platform or simply looking to streamline your invoicing process, these instructions will guide you through each step. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Freshbooks website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. This brings you to their homepage, which will be your starting point. Once you're there, you'll need to access your account, so click on the Log In button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Promptly log into your account using your email and password. It's a straightforward process, akin to logging into most other online platforms. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, which displays an overview of your account activities. Now head over to the Create New button. You can typically find this option on the dashboard, click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Invoice. It's a crucial step as the invoice creation option is nested within this menu. Next, you'll need to select a client for whom you're creating this invoice. Freshbooks allows you to choose from your list of existing clients. If you're handling multiple clients, ensure you select the correct one to avoid any confusion. Once you've selected the client, it's time to add the specific details of the invoice. Click on Add a Line. This is where you input the item or service details. In the description box that appears, type in a clear, concise description of the item or service provided. Clarity here ensures that your client understands exactly what they're being billed for. Following this, click on the Rate field. Enter the agreed upon rate for this particular item or service. It's essential to double check these figures to maintain accuracy on your invoice. Next, adjust the quantity field to reflect how many units or hours you are billing for. With the main body of your invoice set up, you should now enter your payment terms. This often includes the due date and any additional conditions pertinent to the payment. Being explicit and clear helps set expectations up front with your client. Lastly, once you've reviewed all the details and ensured everything is correct, click Save to preserve your work. Freshbooks usually provides a prompt confirmation that your invoice is saved successfully. From here, you can either send it immediately or revisit it when you're ready to distribute it to your client. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating an invoice on Freshbooks. This process is designed to be intuitive and efficient, allowing you to focus more on your business and less on administrative tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing!